Sini buba gerani mekten Awo tak gelai situ Sini buba gerani imam Ini mekandung situ
Jangan kali jangan doa Tertinggal omong mereka Jangan tanggai tangan doa Lohani serai menang
Sini buba gerani mekten Buba gerak ayo lokeng ayo lokeng ayo lokeng Buba gerak ayo lokeng ayo lokeng ayo lokeng Greta tipalen maro nai Greta tipalen maro nai Ayo ke cepat jole nai Ayo ke cepat jole nai Tipra sa ayo lokeng ayo lokeng ayo lokeng Tipra sa ayo lokeng ayo lokeng ayo lokeng Dini matai no maro nai Dini matai no maro nai Ayo ke cepat jole nai jole nai jole nai
Cedo pani dalal Wanshunaran yadeni roa Cedo pani dalal Lashinaran yadeni roa Cedo pani dalal
Second, I thank my people. In democratic country, I have always said in my speech that Jonagon is my God. Therefore, they have supported me. I am very thankful to them, and I will be always forever with them in any difficulty of time. And secondly, I thank my technical staffs and the police procession. Because of them, that in a very peaceful manner, we completed accounting, and that is why we are successful. I also thank to them. And secondly, I thank the media persons who have been here from the morning to till evening. I am thankful also to the media persons. Thank you so much. Supremo is Maharaj. মহারাজ সব সময় চিন্তাধারা নিতেছেন যে আমাদের এডিসি এলাকার মধ্যে আমাদের জনগণের কী সমস্যা এই সমস্যাতে সবচেয়ে আমরা ফার্স্ট সলভ করতে যাব মহারাজ যে গাইডলাইন দিব হোয়াট এভার মহারাজ গাইড আস উই উইল ডু ইট দ্যাট দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই এম appealing and I am giving a word to my people that we will done it in any difficulties we will come at first line.